Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and sniff the Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Mille Pride Collector Eau De Toilette. So let's first take a look around the outside of the can. So in this can is a 125ml Pride Collector Edition spray bottle of Jean-Paul Gaultier's Le Mille Eau De Toilette. And taking a look at the details around the can packaging. You can see the Pride rainbow colors adorning the metal tin can. And just doing a full rotation of the can so you have a complete and thorough look at this Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Mille Pride Collector Edition Eau De Toilette packaging. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the can by, of course, peeling off the plastic wrapper. To reveal the can right now, you can see the details a bit more clearly without that reflective plastic packaging or wrapper covering the can, so giving you another look at the details of this Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Mille Pride Collector Eau De Toilette in the 125ml spray bottle capacity. Now let's go ahead and open up the can, of course, but before that, let me just set it down so you have a nice clear look at it with my hands completely out of the way. And now let's go ahead and open it up by simply lifting up the cover of the can and giving you a look right there at the spray bottle along with its can packaging. So you can see the Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Mille Pride Collector Edition. Okay, so now just setting the can to the side, let's set it on the right hand side of the frame. And giving you a look at that spray bottle in the middle. Right there, the familiar torso, but this time, of course, with the Pride rainbow colors covering the spray bottle right there. So you can see that familiar torso right there. Okay, now let's take a closer up look at the spray bottle and the overall design of the packaging. Okay, let's pop the bottle out or off from its metal base, and we can set that base to the side. Let's set it on the left hand side of the frame. So right there, giving you a nice good look at the bottle. So the bottle has some weight to it because it is made from glass, and giving you some close-up details of the bottle, the base, the rear, the back, and we can see the Gaultier branding at the back. and the head or pump spray atomizer at the top of the bottle. Of course, the ring preserver or collar. And the overall form of this torso right there, front and back of the bottle. Okay, just going to shift that base more towards the top left of the frame so it doesn't interfere too much with the foreground as we focus on this bottle and its overall design. And once again, getting that focus right in and the details right there. So you can see the colors matching exactly with the tin packaging of the Pride 6 colors of the rainbow. And now let's pop the collar off from the neck. And let's set it down. And of course, give it a couple of pumps of the fragrance. Or maybe several pumps actually. And give it a sniff. So it does have that initial citrusy, sweet top note. It does have a somewhat soft scent or smell to it. And there's also that slightly oriental woody scent that's just behind, that follows that initial citrusy sweet smell. And now it's getting a bit more woody as it dries down. So you can see that it has completely dried. And it's gone into a very kind of soft oriental incensey type of smell as it dries down. So a bit slightly spicy as an Asiatic spice with that mix of oriental wood towards the end. So that's the Jean-Paul Gaultier La Mel Pride Collector Eau De Toilette. Thanks for watching and happy spraying!